Listen to me. I am answering the time-old question of how everybody buys properties in fixing and flipping with no money out of their pocket. I'm going to give you the answer right now. Hard money is for suckers. This must be, what's his name's website? Dave Ramsey. There we go. Commercial hard money lenders, loans up to $3 million. Okay, this is what we're all doing. I use a company called Cap Fund One. Okay, you guys can see they're really popular. We use Cap Fund One here locally. So I'm going to give them a call right now. Hey, I need my phone. Yeah, my phone. Okay. When one fails, call another. There's about 1,000 of them. There's more of them than Starbucks. In fact, they're like cockroaches. They're freaking everywhere. You can't get rid of them. So when people are like, how do I qualify for a hard money lender? Guys, how do you invite a cockroach into your house? You blink your eyes and they're there. Hard money lenders are freaking everywhere. I don't have to beg a cockroach to come into my house. They're going to figure out their way there. They're seeking you out. I have to tell hard money lenders to leave me alone half the time.
Mr. Morby.
Tim, how you doing, brother?
Good, buddy. How are you, man?
Good. Hey, I have you on a Zoom with about 377 students, and I just wanted to ask you guys, what is your typical rate and term for a new person just kind of starting out that might have a sponsor?
Brand new investor, you're most likely not going to pay over 10%. Could be 10 and a quarter.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
So I normally don't take calls with less than 400 people, but for you, I'll take the call.
Okay, so 10 and a quarter is your interest rate for loan to purchase. So let's say I've got a contract from a wholesaler at 400 and ARV is like 700. You guys will not only give me money for the purchase, but you also will give me money for the renovation. Is that correct?
Correct. Yeah. So your beginning investor is going to get roughly 80% loan to cost combination purchase to renovations.
Love it.
Obviously, anyone that's doing 2 to 5 projects is going to get a little bit more. Anyone doing over 5 going to be doing more. Anyone doing 10 and over going to be getting more. Everything gets a little sweeter as we go.
Love it. Okay. So what I'm saying is, like, I love the answer. That's exactly what I was looking for. So if I buy a property for 400, I'm going to put 100 grand of renovations into it. That's $500,000 total. You guys will give me 80% of that essentially for my purchase and my renovation. Is that correct? I'm simplifying it, but that's what you're saying.
Yep. No, you're simplifying it. The one caveat is we're always going to fund 100% of the renovations. So obviously that 100% is going to take down your purchase price a little bit, meaning the loan to cost, meaning it may look like 77% and then 100%, depending on how large your renovation budget is.
Got it.
So larger the renovation budget, less comes off the purchase.
Okay, cool. Do I have to like give you my blood and like my second cousin's name to like get qualified, or is it pretty easy on a hard money loan to get qualified?
No, we take first kids and first dog. We don't take no second cousins.
Oh, I love it.
No, very, very easy, guys. Just get them submitted. Very simple. In theory, your first file, there's going to be 13 things you need to upload. Second file, technology. You're only going to have 5 things, property specifics. Our technology is smart enough. It will grab everything from your first file and submit it into your second file.
Love it. You're the freaking best, Tim. Thank you. I appreciate you. Okay, I don't have to get qualified. They don't give a shit about my job history. Yes, it's that easy to get money. Guys, I'm telling you, hard money lenders are freaking cockroaches. They're everywhere. In fact, if you sleep long enough, they'll be crawling all over you. If they're only going to give me 80% of the purchase, where does the rest of the money come from? It comes from the side chat in Pace's Subto community because we freaking probably got $10 million in here. Who would help me pay for the other 20% on a good fix and flip if I brought you in as a partner? Now, I just showed you exactly how to get all the money you'll ever need for any fix and flip you'll ever want to do in your life. Did I just simplify that for you? Construction and purchase. This is why all your other mentors suck, is because I just broke something down that other people are trying to learn for 2 years, and I made a phone call for you guys. That's my lender. MyInvestorLoan.com is who we use. So now they're only going to give me 80%. Now for me, guys, I'm more established. Do you guys know how much money they give me? They give me 90% of my purchase and 90% of my renovation. So I need to just go bring 10% of the money to the table. Where does that 10% come from? Does it need to come from my personal pocket, or does it come from a private money lender that might be a student of mine? This is why you should know. Gosh, I'm so passionate about this. If you guys are just sleeping and chilling in my Zooms, you don't know the power of this community. It has $10 million sitting in the side chat right now. Don't ever read another book on how to raise private money. Don't ever go to a mentorship on how to raise private money. I just showed you how to do it in a Zoom chat with me. Can you guys ever ask me another single question of where money comes from to buy properties? You better say no in the side chat, because I just gave you a master class on how people actually buy real estate. Then why would a person use a hard money lender when involved in this community? Rhonda, great question, because think about it. I can go to a hard money lender. They're so easy to work with. I can pick up a phone call. I don't have to convince them to give me their money. A private money lender is a little bit different. I have to kind of convince them and coerce them, because that might not be their business model. Every private money individual is an individual with a different business strategy, different rate and term, different amount of money. Hard money lenders, easy. 10%? They'll give me 80% of my purchase and 80% of my renovation for 10.25% as a newbie. You know what they give me? 8.9%. Why would I use a private money lender for 80% of my money? Because a private money lender is typically going to charge 10 to 12%. When I first started, before I had a community of rich people, I was paying, you guys want to call one of my first private money lenders? You know what they charge? They'll give you 100% of the purchase, but they charge 18% interest. But you know what? I had to go through the years and years of finding the right people and bring those people to you guys so you guys can cut down on that learning curve. Okay. Rhonda, great question. You use a hard money lender because you can pick up a phone and the money's there tomorrow, because that's what they do for a living. They wake up in the morning, they get on a suit because they think that's important, and they drive down to their office in their BMW because they think that's important. And their main job, the only thing they can think about all day long is, how can I give somebody money today?